I welcome you all for EC Video YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Noth. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to represent minus 17 using 2's complement. And here the option is given A as 101110 and B as 1041 and C as 51 followed by 0 and D as 11000001. So first let us discuss how to represent a 2-bit number, unsigned bit. If it is a 2-bit unsigned number, you know it is 0001 and 10 and 11. Maximum we can represent like this, and 00 represents 0 and 01 represent 1 and 10 represent 2 and 11 represent 3. So the number is ranging from 0 to 3, right? So if it is unsigned number, it is ranging from 0 and the maximum value is 2 power n minus 1, and here the n represent number of bits, that is 2. So 2 power 2 minus 1 is 3. So this is a formula. So suppose if it is a signed number, then you can see it should not, it has to, instead of 0 to 3, it will not go, because I need to represent the same number in sign bit also. So here if it is 10 means it represents minus 0. Okay, so if MSB is 1 means it has to be represented as minus. So here if we see for the sign number 11 means it is since MSB is 1, so it is minus 1. So next 10 means it is minus 0, and 00 means it is 0 since the MSB is 0, and 01 means 1 because here also the MSB is 0. So the formula is minus of 2 power n minus 1 minus 1, and it is has to be less than the sign bit, and it is ranging from this one to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So the next one is 1's complement representation. So here you can see 0, 0 and 0, 1 is represented as 0 and 1. But here you can see 1, 0. So 1, 0 means it has to be, since it is MSB is 1, it is represented as minus. And you have to change that number, right? So 10 means it is 0, 1. Therefore, 10 is represented as minus 1, and 11 means it is 0, 0. But here the MSB is 1, so it is represented as minus 0. So here also you can see the range has to be minus of 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 and 2 power n minus 1 to 1. 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay. And the fourth representation is 2's complement representation. So you can see 0, 0 and 0, 1 is always represented as 0, 1, and since 1, 0 and 1, 1 is different for the signed number and 1's complement number. So here also you can see the 0, 0, it is represented as 0 and 0, 1 is represented as 1. So you could see here there is no minus 0 in math, right? Therefore you can see the 10 is represented as minus 2, and 11 is represented as minus 1. So here minus 0 is not represented, and the negative number is minus 2, and it goes up to 1. So that is a major difference we are seeing in the 2's complement representation. So not only this, why? Because means if 10 is already it is 2, right? But we can't represent 2. So since range is it ranges from minus 2 power n minus 1, which is less than the 2's complement, 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. So it has to be from minus 2 to 1. Okay. So you know that 10 since MSB is 1, it is minus value, and 10 is nothing but 2. And if we see 11, 2's complement representation is 10, so it is represented as minus 1 since MSB is 1. So in the similar way, we can do it for the above number minus 17. Okay. If I need to find the 2's complement for 0, 1, 00 means here we can find which will be not my answer, right? So suppose for 0, 1, 00, the 2's complement is first you have to take the 1's complement, then you have to add 1. Therefore the answer is 11 00 is your answer. Okay. How to represent 17? 17 is 1 0001 is 17. Okay. And if I take the 2's complement, the answer will be, so here how come the B will be 1 means 1 from the 1041s. 1041s will represent it as the minus 17. Because the MSV has to be 1, and if I want to represent 17, it is 1 0001, and if I convert it into 2's complement means 0 4 ones, the MSV has to be 1, right? So instead of this 5 bits, I am going to add an extra bit as 6 bit, and that one I make it as 1. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you very much.